The function of tapetum in microsporangium is it helps in nourishment of developing pollen grains. Select the correct sequence of anther wall layers: epidermis, endothecium, middle layers, and tapetum. Select the correct sequence of events in microsporogenesis. Microsporogenesis is development of pollen grains from pollen mother cell. And the answer is sporogenous tissues will undergo the development into microspore mother cell. Microspore mother cells will undergo meiosis and produces microspore tetrad. Each microspore cells and microspore tetrad will develop into microspore. Finally, these microspore transfers into pollen grains. So answer is A. The most resistant organic material present on the exine wall of pollen grains is sporopollenin. Which of the following has proved helpful in preserving pollen as a fossil? That is, answer is sporopollenin, because sporopollenin is resistant towards the acids and alkali, so it can be stored for many years. Select the incorrect statement with respect to vegetative cell of pollen grain. In pollen grain, there are two cells present: the larger cell called the vegetative cell, smaller spindle shaped cell called generative cell. Bigger than generative cell. So actually the vegetative cell is bigger than the generative cell, so that is correct. Has abundant food reserves, correct. Has a large irregularly shaped nucleus, correct. Floats in the cytoplasm of generative cell. Actually generative cell floats in the cytoplasm of vegetative cell, so this answer is option is wrong. Which of the following statement is not true? Pollen grains of many species causes severe allergies, correct. Stored pollen in liquid nitrogen can be used in crop breeding programs, correct. Tapetum helps in dehiscence of anther. It helps in nourishment of pollen grains. So this answer is correct. That is, it is the wrong statement. Exine of pollen grain is made up of sporopollenin. That's also correct. But the statement which is wrong is tapetum helps in the dehiscence of anther. Pollen grains can be stored for several years in a liquid nitrogen having a temperature of minus 196 degrees Celsius. The functional megaspore in angiosperms develop into. The functional megaspore will always develop into an embryo sac. In angiosperm, microsporogenesis and megasporogenesis involve meiosis occur in ovule. Megasporogenesis occurs in ovule, but microsporogenesis occurs in anther. So form gametes without further division. Gametes will undergo further division. So both of them involve meiosis. Function of filiform apparatus: recognizes the suitable pollen grain stigma. No, because it is present in embryo sac. Stimulate division of generative cell, produce nectar, guide the entry of pollen tube. It will guide the entry of pollen tube into the embryo sac. From the statements given below, choose the option that is true for typical female gametophyte of a flowering plant. It is 8 nucleate and 7 cell at maturity, correct. It is free nuclear during the development, correct. It is situated inside the integument but outside the nucleus. No, both inside the nucleus and integument. It has egg apparatus situated at chalazal end, not at micropylar end. So A and B. So it is option C. Identify the correct sequence of arrangement of cells in a mature embryo sac from the micropylar end. That is from synergids to synergids, egg cell, central cell, and antipodals. Which of the following is not correct statement? Placenta is located outside the ovarian cavity. Central cell develops into primary endosperm cell after fertilization. Orchids contain more than one ovule in a ovary. Egg apparatus consists of one egg cell and two synergids. So placenta is located outside the ovarian cavity. It is present inside the ovarian cavity. Even in absence of pollinating agent, seed set is assured in cucurbita, papaya, commelina and maize. Commelina and oxalis, viola, they are the examples for Chasmocamus flowers. Cleistogamous flowers, so they have a assured seed set. Transfer of pollen grains from anthers to the stigma of a flower of the same plant is known as autogamy.